Hey, welcome to Arrange Wave. Today we're talking about how to use colors to stay organized in your project. So here we have a live project, and we have tons of colors. Taste the rainbow. We have colors here on our cue track, and then on each of our groups here that contain all the different tracks. So we're going to talk about why. Let's look at the cue track. We've assigned a color to each section of the song. Doesn't matter what song you're in. If you're in a verse, it's going to be green. If you're in a chorus, it's going to be red. This makes it easy for an MD to quickly find your place within the project. Just select it and hit play.
Chorus. Chorus 2. Bridge. Break. Bridge.
It takes a little more time on the front end, but when it's crunch time, it comes in handy. Let's open up these groups. So all these blue tracks are going to be outputted to 3 and 4 on our interface. We use Dante Virtual Sound Card. 5 and 6 for our yellow tracks. 7 and 8 for our BGVs, which are pink, and so on. This just makes it easier and helps eliminate mistakes when you're routing your tracks. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know what we missed and what we can talk about next.